Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kritika and I make beauty related videos here on YouTube. And today I have here with me these two products from Pilgrim and we will be reviewing it, unboxing it, and I will be showing you the application, the texture, the fragrance and everything about these two products. So if you are interested to know more about these two products, then please continue watching. So the first product I have here with me is their red wine face mask, which is from their Vinotherapy range, and the second one is from the Jeju Island range, and this one is Vitamin C hand and nail cream. So we'll be unboxing these two first and we'll be seeing the packaging and the texture. So this came in a box and it was covered with a plastic film so that it remains sealed and protected as well. So I have removed that already, and then we have the box right here. So it's from their Secrets of Vinotherapy range, and this is their red wine face mask, and it has mulberry and rosehip oil in it. And also this is for all skin types, which is great. So when we open this up, we have this applicator and then we have the mask right inside the box. So the packaging is really good. It's in a plastic container, and on the cap we have their logo, and on the bottle we have all the information about the mask, which I will be telling you later on. So when we open the cap, we have another lid so that the mask remains sealed. So when we remove this, we have the mask right here. I have used this one time and it was pretty good. Talking about the fragrance, it's very normal, like it smells like a cream only. It doesn't smell like wine to me. But yeah, it smells really refreshing and it smells really pleasant. The texture is really creamy, which I really like. It was really easy to apply on the face, which I will be showing you in a while. Now let's have a look at the benefits of this face mask. So this says that it fights aging, it removes excess oil, it enhances natural glow, it helps refine pores, and it enhances firmness and elasticity of the skin. Now let's quickly apply this mask and see the application of this face mask. So I have already cleansed and toned my face, and now I'm gonna quickly apply this. So it's very easy to apply because this is in a cream texture. So it really glides very easily on the skin, as you can see. Make sure you don't apply the mask near your eyes and around your lips. So the applicator which came along with the mask is really convenient. It's really easy to apply and you will not have to use your fingers to apply the mask. You can just take it on the spatula and you can easily apply it on your face. Okay, so the application is done, and this says that you should leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, and also to retain maximum moisture, wash off the face mask before it gets dry completely. So I'm gonna keep it for 15 minutes and then I'm gonna wash it off. Okay, so after 15 minutes I just washed it with normal water and my skin feels instantly very glowing and brighter. It feels very refreshed and supple as well. Now let's move forward to the next product, which is the Pilgrim Vitamin C hand and nail cream. It is from their Jeju Island range and I really like the packaging of the Jeju Island products. It is so beautiful. It has shea and cocoa butter in it, which is really hydrating on the skin, and also it has vitamin C in it. So this one also was packed with the film, plastic film, so that it remains sealed and covered. And then this is the box, and it has all the details about the ingredients and everything about the product. And when we open this up, we have the tube right inside the box. So this is how the hand cream look like. It looks really, convenient. You can easily put it in your bag and you can carry it around with yourself very easily. It's very convenient to use. And let's have a look at the texture. So I'm going to put some on the back of my hand. So it definitely looks very thick and creamy, and it smells really nice. It smells something florally and really nice. So yeah, I really like the fragrance of this hand cream. It smells really good, and now my hands does feel very soft and hydrated. Now talking about the price and the quantity of both of the products. So the face mask retails for rupees 500 and it has 100 grams of face mask, which is I think is quite good. And the hand cream retails for rupees 350 and it has 30 grams of product. Also, all of the Pilgrim products are 100% vegan, cruelty free. They have no parabens or sulfate. They have no toxins and no chemicals in their products. So yeah, those were the Pilgrim products and I really enjoyed using the face mask a lot. It really made my skin very soft and refreshed. So yeah, that was it from today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you are interested to check out their products, then the link would be in my description box, so you can check their products directly from the link in the description box. So don't forget to check their products out. And if you like the video, then please subscribe to my channel and like the video, comment and share, and I will see you very soon in my next one.